Why do you do a test?
Hi, mathematicians. Today we're going to look at lesson 1.6. In lesson 1.6, our learning target is to use division to find the number of equal groups, which is different from lesson 1.5 because we knew how many equal groups, but we needed to know how many went in. So today is a little different. And you know that you're successful when you can model equal groups, you can identify the number of equal groups, and then you can write a division equation. You might see this page here that looks pretty familiar. I just made the video using M&M, so if you missed that video, go back and rewatch it. The next thing we're going to look at is page 34. So if you do not have your green math book, you need to get your green math book, pause me, and open to page 34. Oh, and a pencil. Welcome back, learners. We are going to look at this first example here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at when you know the total number of objects and the size of each group, you can divide to find out the number of equal groups. A way that I would use this in real life is that if I had those 24 M&Ms and I was going to see how many I could get, like each kid we're going to get 4. Like each kid should eat 4 M&Ms. How many kids could I give those 24 M&Ms to? And that is a real life example. It could be eggs. If I collect eggs, and how many cartons of 6 could I make with those eggs? So that's what we're going to look at today. So today we're going to divide 12 counters into groups of 4. And in this example, we have 12 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 total counters, and then we are putting 4 in each group. So how many groups can we make with those? And so this shows us that I do a group of 4, I put a circle around it. Another group of 4, put a circle around it. Another group of 4, put a circle around it. So the number of groups I could make is 3 groups of 4, and that is equal to 12. All right, so now we're going to go down here, and we're going to look at number 1. So if you look at number 1 here, we are going to, I'm going to see if I can get it to do a different color. Ooh, there we go. Okay, so we're going to divide 10 counters into equal groups of 2. How many groups are there? Okay, so I already have 2. So I have 1, 2. Now I'm going to finish it out till I hit 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Do you notice how I did the groups of 2 and then I was counting in my head into 10? Keep in mind that you can go back and recount. It is always, always, always okay to go back and recount. So I'm going to look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to draw my circles around there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 groups of 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Oh, that's a nice 5. Now, it shows us up here the tape diagram, and we need to do one down below. We know that in the tape diagram, I'm looking up here, and when we have the tape diagram, so if you guys shift your eyes up back to our example, the total number is always the one on the bottom. So the total number is 12. I have 12 counters. Or in this case, I have, oh, Mrs. Horseman, I don't have 12 there. Let me erase that. Okay, I have 10 counters in this example. It's okay. We all make mistakes. It's cool, Mrs. Horseman. All right, so I have 10 different counters. Now, this is kind of nice because it already shows us how many groups. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that was our answer here. So our answer checks out. How many did we have in each group? Well, I had how many red dots in there? I had 2 red dots. So I have 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. So I have 2 in each. All right, so now we're going to go down to number 2 here. And number 2 says divide 24 counters into groups of 4. You can pause me right now if you need to catch up. If not, I'm going to move on to number 2. When you're ready, come back. Okay, 24 counters in groups of 4. How many groups are there? Well, this is one group of 4, so I'm going to do groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoops, I'm out of room. I'm going over here. 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my circles around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I have 6 groups of 4. And just like in the assignment you did yesterday, you had to put the groups around the equal amounts. Today, you just have to draw the numbers. I don't already have them in groups for you. So you're making it, you're kicking it up a little notch. Okay, so now we look at the tape diagram. Our total number of counters is 24. So our big number, or our total number of counters, go on the bottom. And we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which totally checks out. I have 6 groups. That was my answer there, my quotient there. How many did I have in each? In this case, I had 4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. So I had 4 in each group. If you need to, go ahead and pause me and finish up. I'm going to move on to the next page. Okay. All right, so you can try number 3 on your own. I am going to just finish it here, and you can finish it on your own. So pause me and try here. Number 3 on your own, and then come back and check your answer. So 30 counters in group of 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oop, I gotta go up here. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, now I'm going to put my groups around. Okay, so I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 groups of 6. So down here I have 30, because I have 30 total counters. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups, and each is 6. Whoops, I didn't do the red. It's all right. Okay, so check your answer for number 3. See where you made some mistakes. I am going to move on to number 4. In today's seesaw activity, you do have one that's like 4 and 5. And so I'm going to do 4 for you, and then you can try 5. And then I do want to switch it over and do one of the real life examples. Here we go. So 15 counters in groups of 5. So I need 15 in groups of 5. Okay, so I need to do 5. 1. Actually, I'm going to change that color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like on a dice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then I'm going to put my groups around. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 groups of 5. 5, 10, 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3 groups. Okay, so go ahead and do that one. Remember, always pause me. If I'm going too fast, I'm going to go fast because I want to keep the video under 15 minutes. Always, always, always feel free to pause me, catch up. You can rewind me and listen again. You can back me up and re-listen. It is okay. This is learning on your own time and your own brain. So you are responsible for your learning. I'm going to do number 5, and you guys can follow along or try it on your own. 16 counters in groups of 4. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. And it totally checks out. I have 4 groups of 4. That one, get in there. Okay, good. All right, so now I'm going to move on to the next page. If you need to pause me, and then when you're ready, come to page, this one here, find the roses. Okay, so we have a florist here who has 35 roses to make bouquets. Each bouquet has 7 roses. How many bouquets can she make? This is the real life I was talking about. So she has 35 roses and she wants to make as many bouquets of 7 as she can so she can sell them. So the equation would be 35 divided by 7 equals how many bouquets can she make? So I'm going to put groups of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, wait. Oh, I did not count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Nice. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Oh, what just happened? Oh, no. Oh, no. No, there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to throw this in here. So there's 5 groups of 7. So she made 5 bouquets of 7 roses each. So beautiful. So beautiful. Look, at even the picture up here has 7 roses. That's handy. Okay, let's do this one real quick. The farmer puts 48 eggs into cartons. Holy moly, that's a lot of eggs. Then he put 6 eggs in each carton. How many cartons do they have? Okay, so now we have to count to 48, and we got to do in groups of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Oh, we're so close. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Woohoo! So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 cartons of eggs. That's a lot of omelets. Okay, now you're going to go into Seesaw and you're going to see an activity 1.6. You're going to watch the little refresher video, and then you guys are going to complete the 3 or 4 slides that are in there. If you need to go back and redo these or relook at this video, please do so.